how to find all the tax invoice history of your IRCTC official account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can find all the tax invoices related to your train ticket bookings and journeys over the past few months on the IRCTC application or the IRCTC official website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply type in the irctc.co.in over your web browser, and once you are inside the official IRCTC website, that is irctc.co.in, you need to log in with your IRCTC account credentials, that means the user and the password. And once you are done logging in on the IRCTC website, you will see an interface like this. Now in this particular website, you need to hover your cursor over to this my accounts option, and it will open up a menu. Now in this menu, you need to hover your cursor over to this My Transactions, and it will further elaborate the menu over to this particular section. Now in this particular section, you have this second last option that says Tax Invoice. So simply click onto this Tax Invoice button, and you will find all of the tax invoices that have been generated in the recent past months. So you can simply print them by clicking onto this print icon, or save them as PDF according to your preference. So that's how easily you can find the tax invoice history in your IRCTC official account on the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.